New comprehension number 5, chapter 5, the cow. Today we will start a new one, the cow. First of all, before starting, you have to give the date at the corner of the book. On the upper part of the book, you have to give the date. आपको date देना है. Today is 23rd June. Give the date, then we will start. And be fast. Now, I'm going to explain. Now, no one will ask anything. After 5 minutes, I will start asking, okay? Then you have to tell me whatever the questions or problems you have. First, let me start. And now concentrate, everyone. Ayush, Shaurya, Aradhya, Harshika, concentrate. The cow. Now, put your pencil on the line. I'm reading. Put your pencil on the line. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. Here, whoever the person is, he's telling us about a cow. He's telling that he is only in love with a cow whose color is red and white. He says that I love that cow very much, which is different in color, that it is red and white. And I love with all my heart, means I love that cow completely. I fully love that cow. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She gave me cream. Here cream is the milk, the frothy milk, the tasty milk which the cow provides us. He's thinking about the milk which she used to give that person. And what did he do with the milk? He used to eat with a apple tart. Apple tart is a kind of sweet dish. Underline the word apple tart. Underline the word apple tart. Harshika, underline the word apple tart. You have to underline the difficult words even. Again, she gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. The poet says that whenever she used to give me creamy milk, I used to eat that milk with an apple tart. Apple tart is a sweet dish. खाने का sweet dish होता है, वो मीठा होता है. People used to eat with milk. Harshika, yes. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. She wanders. She wanders means she is moving here and there. Wander means to move here and there in search of something. कुछ खोजने के लिए जब हम लोग घूमते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं wander. So here the person is saying that the cow is wandering here and there for searching something. Might be, we all know the cow is searching for grass all the time. So he said she is wandering here and there, lowing. Lowing means making sounds. While making sounds, she was moving here and there. And yet she cannot stray. Yet she cannot stray. Ayush Kumar, concentrate. Ayush Kumar Sahu, concentrate. And you are in classroom. Why are you eating? You are in classroom. And yet she cannot stray. Means even though she was freely moving in here and there, even though she was not going out of sight, she was in the meadow. Meadow means a piece of grassland, a piece of field where we used to take our goats or cows to have their grass. क्योंकि whenever we have cows or goats, हमें उनको घास खिलानी पड़ती है. They can't eat like us. Humans की तरह वो नहीं खाते हैं. Basically they use to eat grasses because they love green grasses. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. Underline the word stray. Underline the word stray. Everyone, underline the word stray. S-T-R-A-Y. Aditya, concentrate. Okay, now, third stanza. Now I'm going to explain the third stanza. All in the pleasant open air, all in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day. And what was the time that time? what was the time when the cow was moving here and there? It was a pleasant day, means it was a very nice day, it was a very cool weather, it was a very pleasant day. And the light of day is obviously pleasant. We feel happy whenever we see morning things. We feel very happy because the nature is at its best during the morning time. And blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. When the cow was moving here and there in search of grass, it was raining that time. Because in third stanza, the last word, and wet with all the showers, shower, showers means rain. बारिश को shower भी कहते हैं, जैसे हम लोग नहाते हैं ना, we used to take shower, we used to take bath, उसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं we used to take shower. Shower means बारिश भी होती है. So the poet is saying, when the cow was lowing here and there in search of grass, she was completely wet in shower, showers, showers. Showers. Third stanza, last word. The cow was moving in a meadow. The cow is moving in a meadow and it is completely open, and the cow was moving here and there in search of green grass. And the day was, because it was very open, the day was very pleasant, the weather was very pleasant, and blown by all the winds that passed. Whatever the wind was there, it was giving very nice, pleasant environment all around, and wet with all the showers. And during that time, it was raining also, not heavily, but it was raining also. Shower means rain also. It was raining at that time. She walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. As I told you, she was walking in the meadow. Meadow means a kind of field where there are abundance of grass. एक ऐसा field होता है meadow जहाँ पे घास बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में रहती है, जहाँ पे जानवरों को छोड़ा जाता है घास खाने के लिए. At that time, the cow was also in the meadow and she was eating the meadow grass and the meadow flowers. वहां पे उसको जब when she was searching for grass, she found lots of meadow grass and meadow flowers. वहां पे उसको खाने के लिए meadow grass भी मिलता है और meadow flowers भी मिलते हैं. This is the end of the poem. Again, I am going through from the beginning. एक बार मैं फिर से poem ऊपर से पढ़ा रही हूँ. Put your pencil and then I will start asking if you have any problem. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. The poet says that the cow, which is friendly in nature means वो किसी को मारती नहीं थी. She never hurt anyone. She was very friendly in nature and her color was red and white. The poet says, I love that cow, which is very friendly. Manish, wait. After some time, I will ask you. Harshika, concentrate. Harshika, sit properly. Okay. The poet says, the cow which I love is very friendly and her color is red and white. And I love it full heart. I love that cow with my full heart. I love it dearly. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. He said that the cow is giving cream. Here, cream means the frothy milk. जो milk cow देती है, he is telling about that instead of using the word milk की जगह वो उसको cream बोलता है because he used to eat that milk with apple tart. Apple tart is a kind of sweet dish. एक मीठी खाने की चीज होती है, just like you have pudding, वैसे ही apple tart होता है. We used to eat with milk. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. She is wandering here and there. Why? Wandering means इधर उधर घूमना. In search of, if we used to move in search of anything, अगर किसी चीज की खोज में हम लोग घूमते हैं, we used to call that word वेंडरिंग, वेंडर करते हैं, इसको अंडरलाइन करोगे आप लोग, अंडरलाइन द वर्ड वेंडर। मनीष कुमार महतो, वेंडर, WANDER, WANDER, Manish Kumar Mehta, say it properly. Manish, say it properly. What is this? Where is your pencil? Vendor. Fifth line from upside. She vendors, WANDERS, vendors. Moving here and there. Vendors. Underline the word vendors. Okay. She vendors lowing here and there. Lowing means making sound. She was vending here and there, and yet she cannot stray. Uske baad bhi wo, she is not going outside the meadow. She is moving inside the meadow in search of anything. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day. And whatever she was doing, it was during the daytime. जो भी वो काम करी थी, whatever the cow was searching, whatever the cow was doing, whether she was searching and everything, anything, whether she was there, it all happened during the daytime. दिन के समय वो काम हो रहा था. And blown by all the winds that passed and wet with all the showers. There was a slow wind that time. धीमी धीमी अच्छी हवा. Achal, concentrate. And blown by all the wind that passed. She was enjoying the slow wind that was passing through her and wet with all the showers. Wet with all the showers means, again I am telling you, shower means here rain. She was completely drenched in rain. वो बारिश में पूरी तरह भीग गई थी. She was completely drenched in rain. Shower means rain. बारिश हो रही थी. She walks among the meadow grass. Meadow grass means the field is known as meadow. And which kind of field is meadow? Where we have abundance of grass. जहाँ पे भरपूर मात्रा में खाने के लिए जानवरों को जहाँ घास मिलता है, उसको meadow बोलते हैं. It is called meadow. Underline the word meadow. The last line. She walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Meadow. Underline the word meadow. MEADO. MEADOW. Meadow. So this is the end of the poem. Now, first listen what you have to do, then I will start asking questions. After the end of the class, you have to go through the poem. Poem को आप लोग पढ़ोगे. Then I'm going to give you some homeworks also. उसमें मैं कुछ homework दूंगी. You have to complete that homework for the next class. Now you have to answer my questions. Now, yes, children. Insha, you are late.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
English language
Yes, tell me.
English language
Comprehension. In language we have comprehension. Yes, tell me.
English language निकाल के बैठी हुई है तो कुछ बनाया ही नहीं आपको.
Comprehension. In last class also we have finished a comprehension, isn't it? Okay.
Subject number मैम.
पापा यही बताया था इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज.
Now
बोलिए.
everyone. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
और बताया था हिंदी.
Aditi Shah, ma'am, you have to ask anything. Aditi Shah.
हाँ दीदी हूँ. यहाँ है कंप्रीहेंशन. चैप्टर नंबर मैम ये तो निकाल के बैठी हुई थी. हेलो प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
कौन सा चैप्टर बचा ही नहीं है.
नंबर 14 मैम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ही कम्प्रीहेंशन आता है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ही कम्प्रीहेंशन आता है, और मैं ट्यूसडे को यही क्लास लेती हूँ।
चैप्टर नंबर बोलिए,
ग्रामर ना
इंग्लिश ग्रामर में ही हमारा कम्प्रीहेंशन एक पार्ट होता है, वी हैव द पार्ट, और मैं कम्प्रीहेंशन लेती हूँ।
ये
वेट मैम एक मिनट,
चैप्टर नंबर
यस मैम अदिति शाह। मैम ट्यूसडे को लास्ट टाइम भी कम्प्रीहेंशन ही हुआ था, और ये आज कम्प्रीहेंशन के। मैम अपने को आप अनम्यूट करेंगी, मैम अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, अपने को आप अनम्यूट करेंगी। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर वॉइस। अदिति आस्क योर, यस हाँ मैम बोलिए, अदिति बोलो, अदिति शाह।
बोलो, चैप्टर नंबर नहीं बना पाए मैम, बोलो।
मैम चैप्टर नंबर नहीं बना पाए।
क्यों बेटा, क्यों नहीं बना? तब मैंने 2 बार रिपीट किया इसको ना।
यस मैम
at the very beginning I told you chapter 5 the cow we have to start today.
The cow मैम।
The cow, page number 14.
पेज नंबर 14।
Yes, 14.
नहीं हुआ मेरा
मैम, पूरा नहीं हुआ मैम मेरा।
आज मैंने कुछ रिटन नहीं करवाया है, आई एक्सप्लेन ओनली, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन, मैंने सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन किया है। रिटन वर्क विल बी फॉर योर होमवर्क। अभी मैं जा रही हूँ, नाउ आई एम लिसन केयरफुली, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द क्वेश्चंस एंड इट इज फॉर योर होमवर्क। ये होमवर्क मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ, इट इज बेटर टू लिसन केयरफुली, ध्यान से सुनो, क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, एंड फॉर हिंट फॉर योर हेल्प मैं हिंट में थोड़ा सा आंसर बता दूंगी सो दैट इट विल बी इजी टू राइट। ओके अदिति, अभी आप केयरफुली सुनेंगी।
यस मैम।
नाउ ओके, नाउ एवरीवन कम टू द क्वेश्चन। अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कम्प्रीहेंशन, और कोई भी अभी कुछ भी नहीं बोलेगा। लिसन टू द क्वेश्चन, आंसर केयरफुली बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट टाइम आई वांट यू ऑल with complete homework. Next time मुझे complete homework चाहिए। मोहित behave. Comprehension. Question number 1 is describe the cow from the poem. Describe the cow means in 2 lines, in 2 sentences, you have to tell about the cow. You have to tell about the cow. How you will write? Aditya and Ayush. I'm telling you answer and question. Why are you looking here and there? Concentrate, Aditya. In question number 1, you have to write 2 sentences about the cow from the poem. What you will write? You have to write the color of the cow, what she was doing in the meadow. Means the color of the cow is, what is the color of the cow? Red and white. The color of the cow is red and white. You have to write in sentence. Yes. Yes.
मैम, the color of the cow बोले आप?
Yes, the color of the cow. The color of the cow is red and white, and she is friendly. She is very friendly. She gives cream also. She gives cream also. Aditya, what is this? Mohit, what's going on?
मैम,
Aditi, wait. Aditi, I'm telling you, wait. Yes. Now, next question. Next, may you have to write, say who is she in the lines below. In question number 2, there are 2 lines given. In that, there is a word used, she. You have to tell For what purpose? For whom the word she is used? She word किसके लिए use हुआ है? Number one, she walks among the meadow grass. She walks among the meadow grass. She walks means who was walking around the meadow grass? Who was walking among the meadow grass? Who was walking among the meadow grass? It was cow. Underline the word cow. Underline the word cow. Okay. 2B. Come to 2B. She eats the meadow flower dash. She eats the meadow flower. Now, again in this line, the word she represents whom? The word she is used for whom? Is it for cow or boy? Is it for cow or boy? She is used for Ayush, sit properly, Ayush Kumar. Again, 2. Say who is she in the lines below. In question number 2, 2 lines are given. Okay. And every line, the word she is used. Every line में she word use किया है. We have to find for what, to whom the word she is used for. She word किसके लिए use हुआ है? In first line, question number 2A. She walks among the meadow grass. She walks among the meadow grass. Means she means whom? The cow or the milkmaid? Who was moving around the meadow grass? Obviously, it was cow. She means cow. In 2B, she eats the meadow flowers. She eats the meadow flowers dash. There are 2 options, boy or cow. Obviously, she is not used for boy. Boy के लिए she use नहीं होगा. We have to underline the word cow. Now, coming to next page, page number 15. Take out page number 15. Check out page number 15. Page number 15. Match column A with column B to complete the sentences. Match column A with column B to complete the sentences. We have to match the following. Now, column A. Listen carefully. The cow is column A का answer up. Yes, beta. Wait.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, क्या होगा? The cow
Yes.
is. Ma'am, the cow
I'm
is.
asking you now. First, you have to tell me the cow is in column B. You have to find the answer. Answer is given in column B. You have to find from column B. The cow is. The cow is. Tell me answer. The cow is.
The cow is all red and white.
Very good.
All red and white.
Very good. Now come to 2. The cow gives cream. The cow gives cream. वो पोएट क्या करता था क्रीम लेके?
With apple trees. Ma'am, to eat with apple
Treat नहीं
trees.
बेटा, it is not treat. It is start.
Yes,
T-A-R-T. It is called
start.
to eat with apple.
Not start.
Yes.
Not
To
start.
eat with apple tart. Now, come to 3C. She vendors and Mohit, what's going on? क्या कर रहे हो Mohit?
She vendors
She
and
vendors and
yes. Ma'am, yes, she cannot.
Very good, beta. It is not a straight, it is stray. S-T-R-A-Y. Acha, have you got the answer? Yes, Aditi. Yes, Aditi, tell me what happened.
मैम मैच
Yes,
द फ्लाइंग
Aditi, tell me now.
मैम मैच द फ्लाइंग में द काउ इज में कौन सा करेंगे?
It is for homework. It is for homework. सबसे पहले आपको poem पढ़ना है, then you have to find the answer. Listen, class 2 students, listen. जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन में बता रही हूँ, you have to do it in your homework. इसको आप लोग होमवर्क में करोगे, इसलिए I am not going to tell you the answer. In next class we will discuss. Okay? मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. Come to question number 4. Take the correct options. Means जो सेंटेंस करेक्ट है उसको आप टिक करोगे और जो नहीं है उसको क्रॉस करोगे. Now listen everyone. Now, question number 4. Tick the sentences that are true, like the cow is red and white and friendly. You have to search for the answer in the poem. Poem पढ़ने के बाद आपको आंसर को सर्च करना है. The line is the cow is red and white and friendly. If it is true, you have to tick. If it is not true, you don't have to tick it. Next is the cow makes a lowing sound. The cow makes a lowing sound. Again, you have to go through the poem. Whenever you have to write the answer, जब भी आपको आंसर लिखना हो comprehension में, you have to go through the poem or the story. अगर story है तो आपको वो पढ़ना होगा, अगर poem है then आपको always वो पढ़ना होगा. Whenever you have to write, जब भी आपको लिखना होगा, आपको आप पढ़ोगे तभी आपको आंसर मिलेंगे. Next line is means option C, 4C. The cow runs in the meadow grass. You have to find whether this sentence is true or false. The cow runs in the meadow grass. इसको आप पढ़ोगे. Describe the different weather condition in which the cow moves around. You don't have to write. Question number 5 आप नहीं करोगे. Question number 5 आप नहीं करोगे. We will discuss this question in next class. Now come to question number 6. मोहित आप concentrate नहीं कर रहे हो क्लास में. Mohit, again, this is last warning. Concentrate in classroom. Question number 6. Put a full stop or a question mark at the end of the following sentences. There are 5 or 6 sentences given. Okay. Against each sentence, you have to put a question mark or the full stop depending on the nature of the sentence. Sentence जैसा है वैसे आपको decide करना. Whether if someone is asking question, you have to put the question mark. If the sentence is simple, you have to put a full stop. Like, where will you stay during the trip? Trip में जाओगे तो तुम कहाँ ठहरोगे? Is it a question? What is the nature of the sentence? Question mark or sentence? Is it a question or sentence? ये आप लोग देखोगे. जहां पे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, you have to put a question mark. If it is a simple sentence, you have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Now, question B, 6B. Roma is a fine runner. Means Roma is very good in running. Roma बहुत अच्छे से दौड़ती है. You have to decide whether it is full stop or question mark. Deepak is a school bus driver. Deepak जो है वो स्कूल का बस ड्राइवर है. This is the sentence. You have to find whether it is a question or it is a simple sentence. Can you come to my birthday party? क्या तुम मेरे birthday party में आ सकते हो? Can you come to my birthday party? क्या तुम मेरे birthday party में आ सकते हो? This is, again you have to find, is it a question or a simple sentence? Question number 6E. This is a very good idea. ये बहुत अच्छा idea है. ये बहुत अच्छा idea है. I don't think it is a question. अब आपको देखना है ये question mark है या फिर इस sentence में what is the nature of the sentence? Only 2 things you have to see, whether it is a question or it is a simple sentence. अगर sentence है तो आपको उसके last में full stop देना है. अगर question है you have to put a question mark. सिर्फ question mark देना है, nothing else. इसमें आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. So this is for your homework. Do one thing. Question number 2, 3, 4 and 6 टिक करो और लिख लो वहां पे homework. Question number 2, 3, 4 and 6 underline. Tick the question number 2, 3, 4 and 6. It is for your homework for next class. Next class में मैं ये book check करूंगी. Next class I will check your books. Everyone, whosoever is attending today class, you all have to show me the book in next class. Next class में मैं आपका question check करूंगी, homework check करूंगी, whether you have finished it or not. Then we will move forward. Otherwise मैं फिर से आपको यही पढ़ाऊंगी और फिर से आप यही करोगे. हम लोग तब तक आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे जब तक ये आपका वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4 and 6. Question number 2, 3, 4 and 6 for your homework. Chapter 5, the cow. Give the date also. Give the date also, all of you. Date के साथ homework लिखो. In next class we will discuss. और जिसको जो भी problem होगा हम लोग next class में उसको discuss करेंगे. Now listen carefully. Whatever be the comprehension, और हर बार हर Tuesday को आप लोग confuse मत हो, comprehension ही लूंगी मैं. In language, comprehension is also a part of language. Language का एक part है comprehension, और मैं comprehension लूंगी. Every Tuesday I'll be here to take your comprehension classes. मैं comprehension class लूंगी. Okay, Aditi, now I don't think you will be confused. अब आपको confuse होने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं हमेशा comprehension class ही लूंगी every Tuesday. One thing more. Last chapter, Froggies at school. Some of the students were unaware what they have to do. In next class, I'll check both the chapter, Froggies at the school and the cow. In next class, I'll check both the chapter, Froggies at the school and the cow. The cow today we have explained. We have gone through it. I have explained. And again, I'm telling you, if you have to find the answer of any question, जब भी आपको कोई question का answer नहीं मिले, just go through the poem. Pencil रखोगे और poem को पढ़ोगे. Each and every answer is given in the poem. उस poem में सारे answers दिए हुए हैं. ईशान, am I clear? मैं सही आपको बात समझ में आ रही है ईशान? आयुष साहू, say it properly. आयुष साहू. Yes. बेटा ये क्लासरूम है, आपको वैसे ही बैठना है. You have to follow discipline also. क्लासरूम में आप कैसे बैठते हो? ऐसे ही बैठते हो. Sit properly. Next time से मैं पनिश भी करूंगी. बहुत रिटन वर्क दूंगी मैं, बहुत ज्यादा. आराध्या कुमारी, roll number 6. Where you are moving? Sit quietly. So this is the homework today. Explanation is done. Homework I have given. Next class आप लोग अपने complete homework के साथ बैठोगे. And don't ask me मैम क्या है आज. लैंग्वेज में ही हमारा comprehension होता है, इसलिए मैं डेली जब भी आपका क्लास लूंगी मैं comprehension लूंगी every Tuesday this time. Don't confuse from next class. And in next class I'll check your books. Next class में आपकी book checking होगी. Be prepared with the books. Go through the poem and last 2 chapter में check करूंगी. Froggies at school and the cow. Now let me know if you have any problem. अब जिसको problem है आप लोग क्या करोगे, जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगा आपको, आप उस क्वेश्चन को अंडरलाइन करोगे. लीव दैट क्वेश्चन. इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डिस्कस. ठीक है, जो भी क्लास में प्रॉब्लम्स होगा हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. And again you have to enter the class with your name. Two students are again without the name.
Bye bye. Bye ma'am.
Okay.
अब बोल.
Bye bye.
Break
Bye
it.
ma'am.
Class is not over.
ये भी नहीं
Class is not over.
ये नहीं किया तूने. ये वाला पता ही नहीं कब करवा दिया.
Ma'am, एक मिनट है.
And again, class 2 students listen. Class 2 students listen. Again, I'm seeing most of 2 or 3 students are without their name. How is it possible to make that attendance?
मैडम चैप्टर नंबर ये छोड़ा है मैडम.
enter करो. Ask your parents. Ask your parents to give your names. Yes. Bye. Take care.
मेरा आवाज आता है.
Bye.
क्लास नहीं होती ना.
Bye ma'am.